my friend. I just wanted to make this video today because I'm about to harvest some chard for breakfast, and I wanted to document the success of this bed. So at the beginning of quarantine, we really had a fire to start to plant some food, and we have begun to reap the benefits of this. This was a spontaneous design. We weren't able to buy materials here where we're living in Ecuador because everything was shut down. Now it's starting to open up, praise the Lord. But so we're like, all right, let's do something with what we've got. We had rocks and we put the dense mud in between the rocks. Look, it works. And I was just sitting on it and it didn't fall down. It's held together beautifully. So that is something we're excited about. Once we built the bed, me and my husband, we layered in green, brown layers like this of, brown would be dead leaves, dried grass, things like that. Green was green leaves, green grass. Layered it up, put some soil on top, and then we put a layer of shaggy mane mulch on top of that. And then we made little holes and then planted in that with the little worm castings. We've got burdock, chard, tomatoes, dill, calendula, lettuce. It's so cute, it's so pretty, and I just wanted to share this with you today. I hope that this inspires you guys out there to look around your yard, see what you got, look at the space in a different way, see what materials you have at your fingertips, and get some stuff growing. So I hope you enjoyed my little garden tour today. There's more gardens to come. Keep watching, check out what we've been putting out there, and have a great day.
Subscribe, be a patron. We love you. Thank you for your support.